They say one's cow is a lamb, a monstrous slur. They say one's dentistry is diabolical. It looks fine to me. But there's one thing they say which is absolutely bang on. One's television is brilliant.
If one wants the best of British television, one gets BBC America. Contact your local cable or satellite provider or go to bbcamerica.com.
One wants one's BBC.
Should I dial for you, Ben?
Right.
The ocean dominates over 70% of our planet, yet we know more about the surface of the moon. Now get ready for a landmark series that is taking the world by storm. 5 years and $10 million in the making, we go further out and deeper down, exploring marine life as it has never been seen before. The Blue Planet. Until now, we've only touched the surface.
The Blue Planet Seas of Life Complete Series. All 8 episodes available in 4 volumes on DVD and VHS, or as a complete collector set. Now available wherever videos are sold.
Take a journey back to a lost world and feel the power as you and your family go walking with dinosaurs. An epic video series of prehistoric proportions that will make you feel like you've stepped back in time. Through state-of-the-art digital effects and animatronics, Walking with Dinosaurs makes your family eyewitnesses to a time when dinosaurs ruled the Earth. From their birth 160 million years ago to their extinction. The awesome power of Tyrannosaurus Rex, the sheer terror of the Stegosaurus. This is as real as it possibly gets. Walking with Dinosaurs. It's an adventure you'll never forget. Available to own on VHS and DVD from BBC Video.
Also available from the creators of Walking with Dinosaurs comes the next chapter of an incredible journey, Allosaurus. Experience the life and death struggle of Big Al as cutting-edge digital effects bring to life one of history's most fearsome predators, Allosaurus. Get your copy today on DVD or video cassette, along with Walking with Dinosaurs, for the total prehistoric experience. Using state-of-the-art CGI and animatronics, the Emmy Award-winning creators of Walking with Dinosaurs take you to a lost world of life after the dinosaurs. Join them as they go walking with prehistoric beasts. 65 million years ago, there were dinosaurs. Then came beasts. The end of the dinosaurs was only the beginning. Available on DVD and VHS, only from BBC Video.